Now I shall discuss about the solution of linear differential equation which is in Bernoulli's form. What is Bernoulli's form of linear differential equations? The Bernoulli's form of linear differential equation is dy dx plus py equal to qy to the power n, where the linear differential equation was dy dx plus py equal to q. Right hand side was only function of x, but in Bernoulli's equation, right hand side is not only function of x, it is function of x, y, and also y to the power n is present in the right hand side of this differential equation, that is Bernoulli's equation. This equation is called Bernoulli's equation. And how can we solve these Bernoulli's equations? At first, our job is to uh, make this Bernoulli's equation a perfect linear form, perfect linear differential equations. We have to make the Bernoulli's equation a perfect differential equations, linear differential equation. What is perfect linear differential equations? Perfect linear differential equation is dy dx plus py equal to only q. There, y to the power n is absent. So, our purpose is to make this equation a perfect linear differential equations. So, to make this equation a perfect linear differential equation, we have to divide this equation by y to the power n. See, we have to divide this equation by y to the power n. So, we divide this equation y to the power n, we get dividing y to the power n, we get y to the power minus n dy dx py to the power minus n equal to q. Now, if we put y to the power minus n, y to the power also y to the power uh, 1 minus n, this is p into y to the power 1 minus n equal to q. If we put y to the power minus n equal to z, then we can get minus y to the power 1 minus n. If we put y to the power 1 minus n equal to z, if we put y to the power 1 minus n equal to z, we can get 1 minus n y to the power minus n dy dx equal to dz dx. After differentiation of this equation, we get this 1 minus n y to the minus n dy dx equal to dz dx. So, y to the power minus n dy dx equal to 1 by 1 minus n dz dx. So, this equation 1 becomes equation 1 becomes equation 1 becomes, if we use this relation, if we substitute y to the power minus n dy dx equal to this, that is 1 by 1 minus n dz dx, we get this equation as, but that is this equation 1 becomes dz dx 1 by 1 minus n dz dx plus dz equal to q. So, dz dx plus 1 minus 1 into pz equal to q Now you see that right hand side of this linear equation is only function of x. So this is linear form. This is the perfect linear form. This is the perfect linear differential equations. We have already known the method of solution of this perfect linear differential equations. How can we solve this perfect linear differential equation? There we have to use the integrating factor. We have to use the integrating factor of these equations, and how the integrating factor is found, we have already known. Integrating factor is where integrating factor is e to the power 1 minus 1 n p dx. And if we multiply this equation by this integrating factor, if we multiply this equation by this integrating factor, we get d dx of z integrating factor equal to q e to the power, and if we integrate this, we get the solution. After integration, we get z into e to the power equal to integration q here also included c integration constant uh, after integrating this is after integrating we can get this solution. This is the way to solve the linear differential equation. So our first job is that the our first job is to uh, make this Bernoulli's equation a perfect linear differential equations. We have to make this Bernoulli's equations a perfect differential equation, perfect linear differential equations. To um, make this equation a perfect differential equation, we have to divide this equation by y to the power 2. We have to divide these equations by y to the power 2 to make these equations a perfect linear differential equation. To make this equation a linear differential equation, perfect linear differential equations, we have to divide this equation by y square. So we get, after dividing these equations by y square, we get, we get y to the power minus 2 dy dx plus y to the power minus 1 into 1 by x equal to 1 by x square. Now if we put y to the power minus 1 equal to z, then minus y to the power minus 2 dy dx equal to dz dx. After taking the differential coefficient on of the both sides of these equations, we get this. So y to the power minus 2 dy dx equal to minus dz dx. We use this substitution in the equations 1. If we take this substitution, that is, if we put uh, if we put if we put y to the power minus 2 dy dx equal to minus dz dx in in equation in the equation 1, we get we get uh, we get dz dx minus dz dx plus z by x equal to 1 over x square. This is uh, this is a linear differential equations, perfect linear differential equations. So min dz dx, we can write dz dx minus equal to minus 1 by x square. So here p equal to minus 1 by x, q equal to, this is the linear form of first order differential equation. This is the linear first order differential equations. So we can solve these equations by using integrating factor. Here integrating factor is e to the power p dx equal to e to the power minus 1 by x dx, that is e to the power minus log x equal to e to the power log 1 by x equal to, ultimately we get 1 by x. The integrating factor of this linear differential equation is 1 by x. So we can multiply these equations, that is equation 2 equation 2, if we multiply the equation 2 by integrating factor which is uh, 1 by x, we get 1 by x dz dx minus z over x square equal to minus 1 over x cube. This is uh, the form after multiplication on both sides of these equations, that is equation 2. Uh, After multiplication we get this form of this equation, this um, changed form of these equations. So we can also write these equations as d dx of right hand side, left hand side is can be written as a perfect differential z into 1 by x left hand side of this equation uh, must be a perfect differential, that is z into 1 by ddx of z into 1 by x equal to minus this minus 1 over x cube. So, we can integrate these equations. So, we can integrate these equations. If we integrate these equations, if we integrate these equation, these equations, if we integrate this equation, we get integration ddx of equal to in ddx of z into 1 by x dx equal to minus plus integration constant. After integration, we get, after integration, if we integrate these equations, we get, after integration, we get uh, z into 1 by x equal to minus x to the power minus 3 dx plus c. Z into 1 by x equal to minus x to the power minus 3 plus 1 over minus 3 plus 1 plus c, which is 1 by 2x square plus c, which is 1 by 2x square plus c. So, z equal to 1 by 2x plus c into x, which implies 2xz equal to 1 plus 2c x square, 2c x square. This is the solution. So, we have already put z equal to y to the power minus 1. So, if we replace z by y to the power minus 1, we get 2x into y to the power minus 1 z equal to y to the power minus 1 equal to 1 plus 2c x square. So, we can also write y equal to 2x divided by 1 plus 2c x square. This is the solution. This is the solution. This is the solution of the equation. So, thus we have solved this equation, which is in the form of Bernoulli's equation. This is the Bernoulli's equation. This is the Bernoulli's form of linear differential equation, and thus we solve this differential equation and we get the solution of this differential equation. This is the solution of differential equation. Next day, I shall discuss about other methods for solution of the differential equations. Thank you.